What documents do I need to sign during the closing process? If you're about to close on a house and are wondering what documents you'll need to sign, you're in the right place. Let's break down the process to make it clearer and less overwhelming. First, let's talk about the documents related to your financing. You'll need to sign a mortgage or deed of trust and a promissory note. The promissory note is a legal agreement where you promise to repay the loan, detailing all the terms, including the repayment schedule and interest rate. Next, you'll encounter the closing disclosure. This document outlines all the terms of your loan, including the loan amount, interest rate, and monthly payments. By law, you must receive this document at least 3 business days before closing. Another critical document is the deed. This is the document that transfers the title of the property from the seller to you. It's signed by the seller and must be recorded at the county office to make the transfer official. You'll also need to provide proof of homeowners insurance. This is essential because lenders want to ensure the home is insured to protect their investment. Make sure to contact your insurance company a few days before closing to get this proof. In addition to these, you might need to sign a notice of right to cancel or right to rescind, which gives you a certain period to cancel the transaction if needed. For the financial aspects, you'll sign a settlement statement or closing statement. This document provides a detailed breakdown of all the financial transactions, including the purchase price, closing costs, and any adjustments or credits. If you're buying a newly constructed home, you might also receive a certificate of occupancy, which certifies that the home is safe and properly constructed. On the seller's side, they will sign an affidavit of title, which states that they own clear title to the property and have not sold it to anyone else or agreed to any new encumbrances. They will also sign a deed and possibly a tax declaration, depending on your state. In some cases, the seller may need to sign a 1099 form or provide a 1099 certification of exemption and a certificate of non-foreign status, which indicates whether the seller is a U.S. citizen. When it comes to remote closings, the process is similar, but you'll need to find a notary who can attest to your identity via an audio-visual recording. You'll also need to initiate a wire transfer to pay the closing costs. Remember, it's always a good idea to review these documents carefully before signing and to ask questions if you're unsure about anything. Your real estate agent or attorney can guide you through this process and ensure everything is in order.